Hello there, model fans. Welcome back to Watson's Models. Today we're going to do a sort of a let's look in the box kind of thing. And here's a hint of what we're going to look at. That's right. It has shown up, the M113. It's the battle taxi. I'm pretty pumped about this, and I know a lot of you guys ordered it and now have it in your arsenal. But here we go. 16th scale M113 ACAV. Okay, here's the box art. Let me stand up. Humma, humma, humma. And there's that. So let me reposition the camera and we will open the box to see what's in it. All right. Okie dokie. Here's how she's packaged. It's heavy. There's a lot of plastic there. And looks like we got some front slope stuff, some armor for the cupola. I don't know if that's like a splash guard thing or whatever, you know, because it kind of like leans forward, and I never really paid attention to that when I was in the Army, but I've always seen them in the stowed position, but I'm assuming that's what it's for. It's just to kind of, you know, use it as a splash guard. I don't know what else to say, okay? Let's put this down. All right, here we have all kinds of little external pieces, parts, weapons mount, BII, some chain, you know, just whatever, ammo can stuff. A lot of parts, a lot of teeny tiny parts. All right, pieces of the hull. Okay, lower section, top deck. There's the detailed side of it, and this thing does have an interior to it. So, yeah. That's a nice size, this is a nice size kit. Here are the sides of the hull. Okay, track pieces. The interior of the hull, and you can see there's some molded details into the sidewalls there. Very nice. Okay, more, let's see, this is the figure and part of the skirting. Hello, hello. Sorry. I'm not paying attention. Okay. You have duplicate sprues here. M60 suspension parts. Look at the detail on that M60, man. That is nice. Okay, so there you have it. The next one looks like, let's see, we got some interior parts. I'm assuming maybe some engine compartment stuff. That's cool. You got a, where is it at here? Right down here, a little distribution box for the communication system. That's pretty accurate. Same thing we had in our Abrams tanks. Okay. All right. Looking good. More pieces for the hull. And we have the cupola, the commander's cupola, and some hatches, hatchwork stuff. Two sprues here. We got more radio comm stuff. A lot of footman loops. Oh my God, I forgot how many were on that vehicle. The interior crew lighting. You've got the comms. And these would be, excuse me, right here. Each crew member had one of those, so they could be on the intercom. Look at all the footman loops listed here. That is crazy. Grab handles. Yeah, be careful when you're monkeying around with that stuff. And I love the fact that it has all the radio stuff in it, which means we're going to have to do some wiring. Well, they got a lot of it here. So if you look in here, you can see a lot of the communication wires along the wall. All right. So that may or may not stay. Okay. Some interior pieces, exterior pieces. Here's the back of the back part of the hall, and then the ramp right here that drops down for the crew to get in and out. Nicely detailed. You gotta be careful with those doors, man. Road wheels. Interesting. Okay. Look at these cute little track blocks. Well, that might take a little bit of time. Diamond plate flooring. Some more of the back, or the front. This is actually the front slope right here. But we got some diamond plate for inside the vehicle. Okay. Looks good. Okay, we've got the Ma Deuce here, 50 caliber, and all the associated parts with that. Ammo can. And it is broken down quite a few pieces. Nice little slide molding here on the end. All right. Vision ports, blocks, things like that come in these clear parts. In the bag, we got some photo etch and decals. All right, you guys want to look at the book? I can open this up. Maybe. Oh, here we go. This stuff's always so well packed. All right. Periscopes, headlights, vision blocks, goggles, right there for the commander. Okay. Some interior decals, some patchwork for the figure. You can see the different. What do we have here? We have looks like 11th ACR, a couple other units, 1st Infantry Division diamonds there, different ranks. This is cool. These would be handy to have for the other figures that I have. All right. Photo etch. Some grading. Just want to be careful here. And there's your decal sheet for the vehicle. A lot of options. Let me reposition the camera for this. All right, I'm kind of filming this in the blind here, so hopefully I keep it straight. I love these Department of the Army technical manual, this TM feel that they give to the instructions, with these sort of sepia tone images. But inside we have some personal information here from Andy himself. Some of his existing vehicles, which I have every single one of these in my collection. Some of them I have duplicates, and I want to know what that is. All right, coming in 2025. Got us a nice inventory list here. Come on. And we're starting with the hull. I really hope this camera angle's okay. So here you can see where they're putting all the comms and So they even got a little flashlight there, military flashlight, vision ports. We got some different stowage things, but I love the fact they have so much emphasis on the communication system. And I'm thinking, you know, the black wiring in here might be a little difficult to paint, so we'll figure that out unless we overlay maybe a black cable just to kind of give it a little more depth, but we'll worry about that when the time comes. Okay, fuel tank, radio system here, same system we had in our Abrams tanks. All right, continuing with the buildup of the hull. And if you've ever driven one of these things, which I have, they are about some of the loudest, rattling, freaking deals out there. They're fun. You can zip around pretty cool, but they're just, make sure that's a young man's game, right? Make sure you have hearing protection and just enjoy bouncing around inside of this vehicle. All right, here we're finishing up the hull. Looks like getting the sides together, working on the ramp on the rear and the door. Okay. More hull work. Putting in the flooring. How about if I just shut up and go through the pages? You guys are smart enough to know what this stuff is and what's going on. All these footman loops, my God, so many of them. Look at them all. Some nice colors here. Now, when I was stationed in Europe, we had the standard, you know, three colored camouflage pattern, the woodland camouflage pattern when I was stationed in Europe. I do love this pattern though. And I participated in Reforger before. It's fun stuff. Of course, these all got painted up desert. That same vehicle still made it to Desert Storm after all those years. Lots of different options. Makes you want to go out and buy like 5 or 6 of these. Those are divorce words, I'm telling you. Your wife isn't trying to hear that. But you gotta have a different one. Oh, what is this? Check that out. Now that's interesting. This thing folds out real nice. Close up of the figure. Some of the markings, the night vision for the driver. The radio system. There's a lot of decals involved in this thing to really dress it out nice. Check that out. I think you outdid yourself on this one, Andy. Alrighty. So that's a cool looking kit. And I should have taken advantage of getting a couple more of these during the Black Friday sale. But 2-in-1 kit, and I'm proud to own it. It's going to be fun. Thanks for watching Watson's Models. And hope you guys are doing great. Got the holidays coming up. Make sure you take care of your families. Love you. Bye-bye.